Yeah, so the biggest news today is Donald Trump has imposed a levy of $100,000 annual fees on H-1B visa. Now, what, as per the explanation given or the motive behind this is that if any company in US has to hire anybody from outside, and we know that most of what will be impacted will be the IT industry in India. If they have to hire anybody from outside, they have to pay 100,000 US dollars as a kind of an annual fee or an annual levy. Now, what does it mean? It means that a company can only hire a person if they really feel that, okay, fine, this one is very much important for the company and they are ready to, either that company will bear this cost. For sure, nobody moving to the company will bear the cost. So now it's like completely shutting down any movement of foreigners to the IT industry of US. The motive behind is that US citizens should be given the priority for jobs in the IT sector in United States. Now the big thing is, do they really have the competence? Is it shooting on the foot, or is it something which is really thought through by the US government, and then this action has been taken? One thing is for sure, these announcements do come on Friday night, and they do impact the stock exchanges of various countries. For sure, Indian stock exchange will get impacted on Monday, but as you can see, the moves and the motives are becoming now very, very cruel. The politicians are becoming shrewd. Now, we say that we are very good friends, or Narendra Modi is a good friend, and they are exchanging wishes to each other on the X. But now the point is, nobody is friend in politics. Let's be very clear. We have to keep the what is good for your country, that you have to keep ahead of your personal friendship. I believe we have failed with respect to our relations with the United States in the last 3-4 years, especially during the past Trump tenure in the US, and this tenure we failed miserably. Now the point is, why we failed? I think we made our own image much bigger than that of a country. Our negotiation skills were not there. We are like flouting or I would say advertising ourselves more rather than doing something on the ground, which is in reality, and this reality will bite the tech